Hello everyone, this is Jim Ograzinski with your weekly screencast video. I'm just putting out some information from the syllabus here I think everybody should take a look at. I've been in contact with some students, but if you're having difficulty, please reach out. Hopefully everything is well and we can all come together. So in this week, we're moving into chapter 3, which is all about writing in the middle. I discussed the double entry journal at length in the lecture video this past week. If I run over here to the modules, let me get to right here, the double entry journal instructions. Once again, I've uploaded a double entry Word document as a template. There's the instructional video, an example of a double entry journal there, and that is due on Tuesday. So let me get to the announcements here. I believe discussion boards due at the end of the week. We're going to start turning our conversations over to, I think we'll be starting in chapter 4 with the dialogue with Dave on this discussions. It's kind of interesting now that you have all this information about your research topic. It's time to start conversing with people about that topic. So if you can read exercise 4.1 in a curious researcher, I pretend to be Dave here. So I am Dave, and I'm asking you all those questions. So you're on the left side. Dave is on the left side asking the questions. You can be on the right side and explain your answers. You can set up a 2-column table in a Google Doc or a Word doc, and you can record the questions here and also your answers. It's a pretty straightforward activity, kind of getting you into the how and why of your topic. What does it mean to people? What does it mean to society? Other than just collecting information and regurgitating information, I think it's important that everybody start attaching to an audience and understanding exactly how you're going to present your information and appeal. Well, actually, if you're going to write to people, you have to appeal to people, right? So you have to put people on the page, and why does your topic matter to them? So think about those. I always ask those questions. What does it matter to me? How does it really matter to the people? And who cares about your topic are some of the questions that I ask. So those will come along as we move through chapter 4 on our way to drafting the research essay. So that is due the end of the week. Get home and the schedule again, and once again the double entry journal is due on Tuesday. All right, so if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.